Hey guys, today I just wanted to talk about lifting mechanics. People come in here all the time and they're, saying, everyone tells me to lift with my legs. How do I actually do that? So something you could do at home, a couple of things you have is just a stick. Could be a broomstick, PVC pipe, anything that's about 4 feet or more. You want to get it behind your back. The progression from there is take the stick out and kind of challenge yourself. You get up against the wall, go about 3/4 of a step length away, and try to mimic that same formation that you did with the stick with the wall. So you're going to come down, tap, right back up. So if you feel like you've mastered that where you're not breaking your chest in low back position, you'll get something with some weight. Here we use a kettlebell. Home you can use anything. So it could be 5 pounds, it could be 20 pounds. As long as you have no injuries, you can go up to as much as you're comfortable doing. So we'll get the kettlebell in between our feet. We'll go down, load into that same position, hinging with the hips and pushing straight up. So now we're using our glute muscles instead of our back. All right guys, so if you're struggling with either of those movements that I just gave you against the wall or with the stick, we want to break that deadlift up into 2 different areas. We'll think about the spine and then we'll think about the hips. First thing is you get up next to something that's like a table, an ottoman, a couch. You're going to kneel down right in front of it. You're going to put both elbows on and you're going to put your hands together. You're going to sit back your rear end onto your heels, dipping your head right in between your biceps. Second thing is we need good hip drive. So we need our glute strength. Something you can do is simple, just get on the floor and you have some variations with this. Hands down by your side, crossed across your chest is the hardest. You can go just a double leg bridge. You can come down. You could go a double leg bridge and come down on one. Or you could just do the hardest of all, is just a single leg bridge. So try those at home. See which one feels best for you and helps you the most with your deadlift.